So over the year or two that I've seen it on Instagram, like, I laughed at it, to be honest. I'm like, why would you buy that? It's like a harness. Who likes to wear a harness? I laughed at it and joked about it a lot. And so when the guys finally told me to do it and try it on, I was seriously not even considering it, because why waste your money? But once they tried it on, liked it, and then obviously I tried it on, I mean, it's kind of hard to turn away when you actually see it in action. And just the thought of screeding or holding a concrete saw or holding a block or heck, moving furniture, whatever you want to do in your everyday life. And so that's where I went from a laugh to being serious about it and thinking it's a really good product to use for your guys.
What's really good about the Biolift is it is a tension system. You don't have to worry about charging it at night. You go to the job site, throw it, when you're done, you put it back in the truck, and you go to the next day and you don't have to worry about it. Get everything up in your pockets. Get your Velcro nice and tight before you clip it in. Do your belly nice and tight. If I want it to be stronger, you turn the knob here. It makes it stronger. Then you come right here, you turn it on, and it activates.
The only thing I can think of is at first, just and this is user error, just not knowing how to properly size it. We had a couple friends that are, you know, big and tall, and so just when we're first putting it on, they're kind of like shrunk up, you know. But it was just on our error on our side, just not knowing how to adjust it. But after that, we truly have figured out it is a one size fits all. So
fix it for him, Brett. It's small. It doesn't go smaller. Oh yeah, it's good. How do you feel the difference? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, nice.
What's going on, guys? We're out here in Calhoun, Tennessee. Installing a couple retaining walls. We got our Biolift systems going on. Keep saving our guys' backs. Got another wall going in right here. We're taking out all these walls that were here, brick walls, putting in new segmental walls. It's a little muddy with all this weather.
So these blocks, you know, they're anywhere from 70, 85 pounds. You know, when you think about a wall, it may have anywhere from 200 to, you know, we've had a few that's been 15,000 over time. And so you lift that repetitively over time. It's, you know, it's hard on your body, it's hard on the crew.
With having the Biolift, you have already the mindset like, we can bust this out a lot quicker than what the time frame was bid for, and just also, you know, you have more energy. You're not like just tired all the time, you know, not hunching over all day. And
makes the blocks feel about half as heavy as they were. Cuts leg time down in half, less back pain. Makes life a lot easier. I can lay block all day with one of these things.
The overall attitude of the employees, I mean, they're smiling, they're happy. That's the big key. What one guy would set in 10 minutes, he's pretty much doubled it now because he's removing all the weight off his back. So you don't have all, like I said, you don't have all the breaks that you have when you're physically picking up these 80, 90-pound blocks all day long.
Well, I play golf, so I've always had lower back pain, but I would definitely say having the Biolift to now, it's definitely like I can tell a difference in my lower back.
It just comes down to is an investment in our crew's sustainability. Your efficiency level goes up because your crew's morale is on a higher level, number one. People don't miss work as much. From a retaining wall standpoint, it took us from, you know, having one guy who's kind of the main layer, kind of like, I don't really want to do that job today. Oh man, I don't want to do this again. And it took us into, hey, I'm gonna go over here and let me lay a block. I mean, there's guys come in, kept saying that they could, you know, do this for hours. It is the cost up front, but the investment's really watching out for your guys and their well-being.
People are really just wanting to get out there and work, and the whole time they're talking about the Biolift system. Any new clients come up or friends come up and see us work, and they're always asking, what is that thing? And they tell them, and they're enthusiastic about it. So when your guys are begging to get it, I mean, you're trying to boost morale, you're trying to keep them happy, but also the fact of the time savings, and now it's literally a fight to who gets to it first. So like yesterday when we were at the show, met a company and they asked me, why would you buy it or should I buy it? And I mean, I straight up told them like, guys, this is the best thing ever. I mean, I guarantee you when you buy one, you're gonna buy 4 more. All of our guys did way better with it. More production, less complaining, nobody getting hurt, and that's the name of the game. So when they asked me, should they buy one? I told them, I was like, buy 1 or 2, come down to my shop. I'll let you try them on. Heck, you can come out in the back of the shop and lay out some blocks and see if you really like it. And I mean, at the end of the day, it will sell itself once you try it one time.